We don't deserve their love because they are blind to our evil. They are blind to our shields. Every moment is spent right by our sides, yet we destroy everything that keeps us alive. We were never a people that cared more about them than they cared about us. We were never that great at admitting our faults, only great at defending our wrongs. But one look into their souls, we can change our ways. We can change the way we love. We can change our compassion for those that love us the most. We can change for every being that needs us to survive, whether they are right by our side or whether they are miles across land and sea. They all count on us to breathe, live, and love. Love is the only thing that can save what we will one day lose. Love is the only thing that can starve and still hang on. And so why do we give up and hope things will change on their own? Why do we make them suffer just so we can indulge? We won't be able to live without them, so we won't ever be whole. We won't make it past our selfishness, so we will never truly know. They are the ones who are the light to this world. They are the only ones with compassionate souls. We need to do better at deserving their love. We must do better to transcend above.